Okay. So do you want these ones?
Yeah. You want any?
Wait, we didn't say prayer.
I did.
Say bless with the chefs.
Huh?
Lord, thank you for this meal. Thank you for the hands that prepared. Thanks for the Zataran. Thank you for the fishermen that went and set up the crabbing trap. Picked out these crabs for us. Hand-picked them. Took out the shrimp. Tality.
Yes, sisters. Preach it.
The brown cage-free eggs.
Yes.
In Jesus' name, we thank you for this beautiful meal.
Oh, yes.
Time to tear down.
Amen.
Amen. Let's go. Y'all, we have not had, like, I'm talking like this on my channel. We haven't had crabs in maybe like 6 years. I gotta stew that.
They're going to find a hammer.
Ooh, it's hot. They're fresh out the oven, so we might be struggling.
I don't like this Zataran.
You don't? Why you ain't say it all out? I said, why you ain't say it all out? You don't like it, you don't like it.
I like the garlic butter though.
Oh no, that's not salty enough. It's edible though. I think we should have got extra spicy.
You tried out the garlic butter?
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
god.
good. I didn't have much meat to put in there, but
Yo, I did my seafood boil my way. Everybody does their stuff their own way.
this ain't your way though. We were experimenting.
Yeah,
Because if it was our way, it would be
obey.
obey.
Yeah, I was just trying Zataran and just experimenting something different, but this is not my way of making crab.
It's okay. It's just not seasoned the way we like. East Coast season. This thing would be. Your nose would be leaking.
I could say that I like how the shrimp is cooked. It's soft.
Cause it's boiled.
No, it's steamed. Well, I can't even touch the potatoes. Look at this, y'all. Look. They even coming out. Okay, y'all. Ta-da. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.
The corn is hitting though.
It's good?
I got a lot of.
Look at that paprika. It's good, it's good. Don't mind our complaints. We used to a certain thing, but it's
You're
good.
trying.
For, you know,
You gotta expand your taste
experiment.
palette. You gotta expand it.
Even my taste palette is a whole bunch of seasonings. It's a nice
So,
experience.
if this is how they usually make it, if we did it right, if I were to get this some juicy crab, I think I would get extra spicy.
Yeah. Woo! Hot, hot. Yes, look at that butter on that potato, except it's hot. These red potatoes are the bomb with that butter. I'm dropping stuff.
This seafood mukbang. This ain't cute.
I no time for no damn cute. You telling me I ain't gonna get burnt? Look at that. Look at that.
I ate mine. I skinned mine. I've been waiting on this my whole life.
Woo! Yeah, that tastes good.
The corn?
Yeah.
Oh.
I sent her to the grocery store to get water, and that's what she came back with.
But you ate it though.
I ain't had a choice.
I know you ain't had no choice. She's sending it to my send the pictures to see which one's got the most.
I'm helping a sister out though.
Treat yourself.
To a whole meal.
Bust down, Shrimpiana. Bust down on the game.
Bust down, Yana. Hey, bust down in the game. Hey, hey. 2 weeks ago, we went to this island. It's called Fripp Island. And we stayed in this Airbnb. It was very nice. And the house was like, they said 5 minutes from the beach. It was like 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
If you drive, you can get there in about a minute.
You know, less than that.
Just across the street.
Great price, great place, 1 bedroom.
Now the key to deals like that is off season.
Yeah, and it was slightly cold, but we had the warm days.
We have very, very warm days. The mornings was the coldest.
Freezing. And
They have a lot of wildlife too.
The deers came up to us. I fed one of them.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
They stayed around us the whole entire barbecue.
Even when I made breakfast too.
Until the propane tank ran out.
They left. Deuces. So we went bike riding around the island. It was a lot of fun. She had seasonings. I brought my own, but she had seasonings in there.
We're not saying everybody's gonna do that. Our host did that.
She did that.
A lot of people, everybody is individually owned, so everybody's gonna do their stuff how they want to do it.
Yeah. Couldn't get in the water because the water was cold. But we got to walk on the beach. I got some shells. I saw some crab shells at the beach.
They had a whole bunch.
Oh my god, those crabs are huge. I can't wait to go back and go crabbing.
And that's Alligator City. We've been there many times and we still have not run into one, knock on wood.
Yo, they had me riding over a daggone bridge, and the bridge is not even that high. It's close to the swamp.
It's a marsh, not a swamp.
Whatever. I don't do that. They saw a jellyfish. I didn't go with them.
I think I'm gonna have leftovers. You still going?
Yeah.
These shrimp are no joke. I'm used to our little small ones, so I'm filling up extra fast. That's like the main thing I'm eating. And then this butter too.
Yeah, that'll fill you up. And we have to drag y'all with us. And torture y'all, having y'all watch us eat. This is so good. Wish y'all were here because I got leftovers.
Oh, you didn't eat much.
I was waiting. I was waiting, remember? My stuff was hot. Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
No, don't forget to subscribe, put your thumbs up, and like this video. And as always,
Keep cooking, chefs.
bye. You are so extra.
That's how you be doing it.